Here we've got Realme 6 Pro, and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So first of all, let's open the settings, then find and select additional settings, and here go to date and time. And as you can see, you can either use automatic date and time, which is network provided time, or you can turn it off. Just mark it here, and then you can select time zone and also time by yourself. So from now on, it's up to you what date, time and time zone you are currently in. You can also activate home screen word clock, just mark it here, or dual clock. It's up to you. So pick the feature that you would like to apply, mark it, and once the indicator is active, it means that it is turned on. And the last option here is the format of your clock. So you can use either 24-hour format clock, or you can turn it off and have 12-hour format clock. Whenever you would like to go back to automatic date and time, just mark it here, and now everything will be set up automatically. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.